activity and you do it later on, right? The things which is required, the cardboard, newspaper, Fevicol, and colors, nothing else, and scissors. So,
Sir, I have those materials.
if you have, it's okay, fine. Then you can arrange now and then. If you don't have it, not an issue. You just do, just see and learn and do it later on, right? Okay. I think am I? You have got me.
Sir, your screen has gone. Your video
Yes,
is
sir.
not coming.
I know
No,
my
sir, it
video
is.
is not coming because I will share the video later on. I'm waiting for some more students to join. Right.
Sir, please tell the materials again.
Materials which is required are the cardboard, simple, thin cardboard, some newspapers, Fevicol, tissue papers means napkin, the paper napkin and scissor, and watercolor or fabric color, whatever you're having at home. So I know that you people are not having, if you don't have, don't an issue, don't make an issue that I don't have the things. You just learn what I'm going to do it. Later on, we just do it because it is, you can record also. You can do it, see and learn and do it later on. Right. Got it, everyone? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Very good. And welcome you all for this session. The first session was very nice, which was done by Sangeeta ma'am and Rumpa Das. It was really very, very good. And I hope you got it. And it was such a nice session. You learned so many things. Tomorrow again, you are having the same session. And one more session tomorrow that I will take the cooking without fire. And a dance session was there tomorrow with Jack sir. So please be prepared tomorrow again for the next session. So I hope you will all enjoy today and tomorrow because we are keeping 2 days for the each grades. Uh, then because you want summer holidays also and we teachers also need some summer holidays because again from 9th of June we'll start our session. Okay. So how many are joined now? Then you can start 62. Can I wait for one more minute? Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to start my video, right? I'm going to share. See, can you see this one? Can you see my hand? Can you see this paper, this
Yes, sir.
design?
Yes,
Right.
yes,
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's very good. Very good, right. So this is a design of a male figure face and a female figure face, right? So just think, just see what I'm going to do it. So this is the this shape, this design I will make on a cardboard, right? These are the this is the face shape, these eyes, nose and ears and mouth and earring, and this part is the beard part because that Katputli of the male having a beard. So this is the beard part, this one the beard part. So and this male female figure, the same figure will be there, same design, same shape, but no beard will be there because women are not having beard, so we cannot do it. So the same thing, eyes, nose, ears, earrings, ear rings, nose pin we will put here. Right.
Excuse me, ma'am. So sorry, sir.
Yes, beta.
Hello, sir. Will you teach how to draw this thing?
I will teach on the cardboard, right? I will teach on the cardboard. So just listen to me what I'm doing. So just see what it is there. This we are going to make. Now the things are required, that is cardboard, right? I have made a shape. I will tell you the shape also, how to do it. See, I'm having this cardboard. Uh, this shape cardboard, this is a square shaped cardboard. This is very thin one, you can have at home from
Good morning,
any.
sir.
Good morning all of you. So This is a cardboard. And then newspapers, it is required, which I'm having. I'll show you some newspapers. Okay. And then scissor. Definitely you need to cut the things. So you need scissors. Then marker, which I'm having. Then Fevicol, right? Fevicol I have in this bowl, right?
The screen is not visible, sir.
Sorry. Sorry.
Sir, it is visible.
Sir, if we do not have the tissue paper, what we can
joining all the science screen is not.
sir?
Am I visible? My video is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This
You are
is
sir, but-
Fevicol.
Yes,
those who are
Sir,
not
my
able to
video is
see, they are
visible.
facing network issue. You are requested to rejoin the meeting.
Sir,
Those who are facing
Okay.
network issue, they can rejoin the search screen is
I think-
visible. Please be
Okay,
visible.
Nisha ma'am, am I audible or am I visible? My video is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
You are visible
Okay.
and audible both.
Students, you just see your network issues there are because yesterday also the storms was there. So this is Fevicol, which what I have done, I've used a little water here.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
make
sir.
a solution. What? Yes, please. Yes, please.
Sir, if we do not have the tissue paper, what we can use instead of it, sir?
You have newspaper only you have to use. That I will also tell you. Instead of tissue paper, you can use newspaper. So what are the things which is required? Cardboard, newspapers, scissor, marker,
Sir, can you say again
Fevicol.
the item needed?
Okay, once again, this is cardboard. Okay, newspapers. Okay, scissors, you need this. This is a main thing. And then marker. Okay, and then tissue papers I'm having. So if you have, then you can use it. Otherwise, if you don't have, then you can use newspaper only. And colors. Okay, these are fabric colors. So I'm not going to use colors today. I'll tell you how to do it because I have to make the thing first. And then these, the Fevicol which I have used here. This is the Fevicol, the thicker one. And this is Fevicol which I have used a little water and made a little thin solution. Right. So you have to use a little water on it and then make it solution like this way. So these are the things which is required. Now this is the shape of the male Kathputli face and the female Kathputli face. I'm going to do it how to make it. So now here I will go. This is the cardboard, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please show the face of that Kathputli.
This is the male one and this is the female one, right? See, this is the beard part. Same thing. Nose pins girl. This girl is having this headgear and other earrings. Earrings also having the male also wearing earrings. So can I move right now this one? Can I start?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Okay. Here,
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
yes, beta.
Sir, can you please wait 1 minute? Just half a minute.
Okay, you carry on. I'm there. First, then I can also again I'll tell you. So this is the shape you can see. This is the shape of a male face, right? Okay. This is the part of the chin part, right? This is the ear part. This is the head part. This is the ear part. This is the chin part. And this is the beard part, which is extra ones, right? So I'll make the female first. I have to cut the female first face. And you can add after this a little from the chin, this beard part. I think
Sir,
am I audible and it is visible properly, everyone? Is it clear,
Sir,
everyone?
we do cardboard.
Any thin cardboard, like you are must be having like koi bhi no, you can use like many box, you can cut from the box, the shoe box or something else like that you are having, then you can cut it from there, right? This is corrugated cardboard which I was having. This is corrugated.
Can we do with paper?
Sorry.
Sir, I don't have cardboard, so can we do with papers?
No, you need something hard one, right? You need something hard. I think you
Sir,
can
can we cut the outer part of our copies, waste copy?
that also you can do it. The old copies, if you're having that register part, register, not copy,
Yes.
the register, that the back portion or the front portion, you can cut it and then you can use it as well. Thank you so much for your good. Now see what I'm going to do it. I'm having this sketch pen marker. So what you have to do, you have to make a mark in between. Take a scale and make mark in between.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this cardboard should be square or rectangle?
Square, not rectangle. Square shape. Okay. So this is now from here. You have to mark this way, right? Then come down, use scale because I'm not using scale, right? Then again, right?
Sir, I have all the materials available.
Okay. So see this part from the middle. You just make a point from the middle, from this middle. You just measure this, what is the length of this square shape, square sheet. Then take a middle point and then make a half line, a line in between, which, and then you start from here, middle, and then again from here, and then again here, and then this way you do sketch, come down.
Also,
Right now come this way and right again this part, right? It means it will show like this way. Okay, fine. So for the beard, this is the female face, right? This is the female face. So for the beard part, what you, and this, why I have given this one for the ear. Okay, so from here you do like this for the ear. Okay. Okay, 2 years. See why I have given space from here to make a ear here. So make a line, come down from this corner, then again a diagonal line you have to draw and then make a ear this way. So one ear this side and the another ear same side, right? Don't fold the cardboard because if it is once it is folded, then it will look very bad. So don't fold it. Okay, this way now. For the male part, you know very well what I have done. See the male, this is the female part. The male part, what I have done, you can come, go little, no, here I'm going to make one more line.
take that line in the between also.
Yes, yes. Okay, so this is the, you have to draw a little bigger one, then you can have the beard part. If you want this, the the male one. Okay, and you just go a little up and then make another one more line for the chin of that woman face. I think I'm clear to you all. I think I'm clear to you all. Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
think I'm clear to you all. Just see what, right? This is the male part and this is the female part. If I cut it from here, then it will be a female part. So I'm going to cut how to cut. Now then you can understood what I have done here for the ears. Clear, everyone? Till here it is clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the scissor which I am going to use. Cut from the margins which you have drawn, the lines. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ear part I'm going on here. Then I'm cutting the chin part of the woman one, right? So I have just drawn this one to show you for the beard part. So I'm having one male face. That's why this is the female face. So from here, please mute yourself. Who is unmuted? Yes, thank you. Please mute yourself. Yes. See, this part is cut. Okay, ears and the entire face part, right? Now, the thing is that what we have to do now, next step. Next step, we are going to use newspaper work. So now we are going to use Fevicol, right? Newspaper, we have to cut, tear and make the coils. Make coils for that, right? So, sorry. So we have to tear the sheets this way and then make coils. Squeeze the paper right this way. Tear the newspaper and make coil. Squeeze, right? And then use brush, use Fevicol. I'm going to make the what I can this part. Okay, this the head, forehead, right? So this way you have to paste it properly. Squeezing is more important. Squeeze the newspaper part very nicely, then it will paste very easily, and then it will become tight this way. And then the left part, which is we have to remove with scissors. Got it, everyone? Getting me? Getting me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Next, I have to make the eye part, right? So you can draw with the sketch pen. This is the eyebrow. This is the eyebrow. Come down this way, nose. You can draw on you can have the paper, then you can draw this. Again, you have to tear newspaper for this part. What we have to do? We have to squeeze again. You have to roll the paper this way. And then
Sir, how to do the newspaper coil? Sir, I do not know, sir.
अरे कैसे भी न्यूज़पेपर फाड़ो, थोड़ा सा लंबाई में, चौड़ाई में नहीं, लंबाई में, राइट? फाड़ना है, you have to tear the newspaper. See what I am doing. I am squeezing. It is just make a coil like, right? Squeeze tightly, make coil. And then see, this is done. Now again use Fevicol. I'm doing the nose and the eyebrow part, right?
Yes, sir.
So squeezing is more important, right? So here it will go again. I'm pasting. You can I think you are getting me this way. And then press it properly. It will paste. Right. Done. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now press it from like this with your hand, so it can paste. Now I have to make nose. Squeeze the paper this way. Make a ball, 2 balls, right? You can use a little Fevicol on your tip of your finger and then use it here to make it tight balls. So you can see nothing will come out, the paper will not come out. Then you can do this way. And then use this way for the nose. Again, same way, use little Fevicol on the tip and then press it.
Sir, when we are
Press.
squeezing, it is open.
No, press it properly. Press it properly, देखो. Then again, put Fevicol here. To nose. Now the mustache part. I have to draw here the mustache. This way the mustache. And this is the lip part, right? This is the lip part. So again, tear the newspaper, make it squeeze. It's depend upon the size of that what you have drawn. This way it will go on. Then again, put Fevicol. This मूछे इसकी बनानी है हमें. हम ऐसे बना रहे हैं मूछ, यहाँ पे फेविकॉल लगा दिया. Now again and again I'm telling you, make the coil properly and then go for pasting, right? So because mustache means the lip, upper lip also. So upper lip, it will look like this. The upper lip, this is, it looks like upper lip where the mustache, it is attached with the upper lip, right? Now, this the lower lip. Again, tear newspaper and then squeeze it properly and like this mouth part. Again, put a little Fevicol to make it tight, make it hard. See, the thing is that you have to press your fingers when you are doing. So the thing, you have to use the Fevicol. Don't use water here. Don't mix water with the Fevicol. See, again, I'm done. You can see, understand what I'm doing, what I have done. This is a little hard one. So tightly you have to squeeze the newspaper. The main thing is that. Otherwise, it will not paste. Now again paste, put Fevicol. And then this is the mouth part. You can see it is looking like this. Okay. Right. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
The lip, the upper lip, the mustache attached. This is
Sir,
the lower
please
lip.
the entire.
Now eyes. Okay. Please mute yourself. Who is unmuted? The background
Alok
sound is
Kumar,
coming.
sir.
Background sound is coming.
Sir,
Again,
from
same.
Alok Kumar.
Alok Kumar, please mute yourself, children. The child, beta, please mute yourself. Yes, thank you so much. Then again. This is the work of the newspaper and the tissue paper only. See, this is done. Now I'm going to paste here the eye part. Who is doing like this? Please mute yourself. You are a big children. This way I got it. Got it. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, eye
Sir,
part
your screen is freezed.
is
Sir,
my
your screen is freeze.
Yes, sir.
freeze.
Now visible.
Okay. Teachers, am I audible? Am I my video is visible?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. You are audible and visible.
Okay, same way you have to squeeze this newspaper coil, make the coil properly. I'm telling one every moment that coil is important. See how tight it is. So tightly you make the coil and then again you put Fevicol properly for the eye part and then I think Priyam Pani is here. He is very creative. Priyam Pani, are you here? Priyam
Yes,
Pani?
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
very good, very good, very good. You are creative. Ada are also very creative, but you are taking the class
Sir,
very.
can I show, sir?
I
Sir,
can't.
I have estimate Adam.
Okay. I know everyone is creative, but Priyam always take initiative to whatever it is given to him, that he always comes front. So that's why I called his name. So this way the two eyes, and now the eyeball here, okay? Again, you have to make the eyeball like this nose part. You have to squeeze again, take a newspaper, a small, then put Fevicol on your tip of your finger and use it this way. And then okay,
Sir, your
let
screen
me
is
try.
freezed.
Sorry, beta, what are you asking?
Sir,
You're
that
asking
time your
something?
screen.
Sorry?
Sir, that time your screen is freezed.
Okay, okay, okay. It is network issue. You know, the weather condition is not good at all. Again, make the ball. Again, same way. Then again, put Fevicol here. Okay, now it's going to be over this, the face part, right? Trace it properly. Now, this mustache, I think a little what, थोड़ा सा इसको घुमाना होगा, तो हमको लगता है यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा we can put a little ball, छोटा छोटा.
Tiger mustache.
Yes. So this way, right? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then again. Okay.
Sir, it will look more realistic.
Oh, yes. When you put this new now tissue paper part, then it will look more realistic. Now the earrings, okay? We have to wear a wearing for him. So again, tightly do it, coil. Tie, you unmute. Who is it? Thank
Sir,
you.
for making earrings and to wear earrings in this drawing, sir, can we make hole in his ear with the help of compass to wear it wearing earrings?
You are not audible properly. What you're asking?
Earrings so on the ear, sir. Can we make a hole with the help of compass in the ear to wear?
Yes, definitely. Even you can use the original earrings also. You can use original earrings. Okay. For the in this way. Again, here. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself, please.
Sir,
Sir,
Siddharth Kumar.
Siddharth Kumar.
Again, the another. This is a little like time-taking work, but it will look beautiful. Okay, it will look good and beautiful once it is done. See, art is time-taking. Art is, see, today you have done English. So you have spoken the words, you learn the vocab.
When we are doing art, sir, we should be with patience.
Yes, have patience. Even all English, Hindi, math, science, whatever you are, all the subjects is having art. So you are telling your teachers was English, the class was going on. So that point they were speaking, that is also art. So this is the earring. Okay. So another part here, I'm going to use, attach this. If you think that in a moment, within a second or within half an hour, it is done, no, not at all. It will take time for all the craft work. This way again, here, right? So now this is complete done. Same way, sorry, it is come out. Same way you have to do for the girl part. Only the mustache means till here you have to do it, right? गर्ल पार्ट के लिए हम यहीं तक बनाएंगे, ये वाला पार्ट को नहीं बनाएंगे, तो ये लिप्स पार्ट दिखेगा. आ रही बात समझ में सबको? आ गई समझ में?
Yes, sir. Yes.
अगर हम यहाँ तक रखेंगे तो ये गर्ल पार्ट हो जाएगा, मतलब यहाँ से बढ़ा देंगे तो मुस्टैच हो जाएगा, तो इसको पढ़ाना ही नहीं है, हम यहीं तक रखेंगे फीमेल के लिए.
Yes, sir. आगे
One more thing, yes, इयररिंग्स हम ऐसे रखेंगे, यहाँ पे नोज पिन बना देंगे, एक बड़ा सा नोज पिन. ये ठीक है. अब हम करते क्या है कि वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई टिश्यू पेपर, राइट? द वर्क इट इज डन राइट नाउ. I'm taking tissue paper. So this is the work for the tissue paper now. Use this brush. Use the brush. Put with the help of brush, okay? Use brush and then tear tissue paper this way and paste it very nicely. Okay. Use again this way. See, I'm using brush. Okay. So paste this one, this newspaper. What I have done, what Fevicol, which Fevicol I'm using, which one, which is used with water. Little water, very little water you have to use with Fevicol. See, this way it will paste, right?
Okay, sir.
Don't use hand because tissue paper है ना, तो ये हाथ में आ जाएगा निकल के. So इस तरह से हम लगाएंगे टिश्यू पेपर को. फेविकॉल मैंने लगा लिया. Then again टिश्यू पेपर, इसको अच्छे से 1 मिनट मैंने फाड़ा और this way I'm going to use again, right? Then again you can use double paper, right? Or thin also. See, using with brush, paste it properly. Very smoothly you use your brush. Don't see how I'm using. ज़्यादा नो कोशिश करोगे तो ये निकल के बाहर आ जाएगा. तो हमें ज़्यादा इस पे प्रेस नहीं करना है. तो हम हल्के हाथ से इसको यहाँ पे इसको लगाएंगे. I think I'm clear to you all and you are getting me what I'm doing.
So here in pasting
Yes,
we
sir.
will use water with glue.
Yes, very little water, okay? See, the glue is there, but see how much it is, water you can see, right? So
Yes.
again, the next part here, this is the face part and the eyebrow. Yes, yes, please.
Sir,
Yes.
we have to use Fevicol with water diluted.
Yes, yes, you are right. Okay. Again, tissue paper work. Place it very nicely. See, I have placed it properly. I'm using again that solution of Fevicol. You know, children, you let it dry, okay? अब इसके ऊपर जब ये पूरा सूख जाएगा, see, it is coming out with my finger. तब हम लोग इस पे कलर यूज करेंगे. Okay? अभी इस पे कुछ नहीं करेंगे. हम सिर्फ इसे बनाएंगे. Tomorrow I will show you, I will color it and I will show you, then you color the part. Okay?
Sir, but tomorrow is cooking without fire classes.
I know. बस हम बता देंगे कि कैसे कलर नहीं करना, मतलब कलर करके हम बना के दिखाएंगे आपको कि ऐसे कलर कर लेना, बस, nothing else, and you do it. If you want to do yours own color, that also you can have. Okay. Wish, then you can do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But एक चीज और, what I am going to tell you, that see, this part is finished now. This now the next part. You have to use before coloring, you have to use entire white color first. White paint. पहले आपको इसके ऊपर white paint करना है. ओके, उसके बाद आप कलर चढ़ा सकते हैं. और नहीं करना है तो सिंपल भी कलर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि सूखने के बाद ये टाइट हो जाएगा. तो अभी नाउ दिस पार्ट, यूज फेविकॉल अगेन. Wait a moment, because I need little water.
सर एक ही बार में पूरा फेस को नहीं कवर कर सकते सिंगल पेपर से?
नहीं, फिर पूरा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. नो, मतलब इट विल नॉट कवर अप, बिकॉज टिश्यू पेपर है, कोई न्यूज़पेपर नहीं है. टिश्यू पेपर बहुत पतला होता है और वो जल्दी फटने लगता है, तो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. देख रहे हो, इतना छोटा पार्ट में आई एम ट्राइंग, बट इट इज difficult to paste. So how it is possible? Very small part you have to do at a time. Got it? Okay.
यस सर.
एक बार में नहीं है, कैसे पॉसिबल है? देखो, थोड़ा थोड़ा पार्ट हम कर रहे हैं, एक बार में तो होगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि ये फट जाएगा फिर. देखो, मैंने पानी मिलाया अभी फिर से, तो फेविकॉल में, जो कि बहुत जरूरी है पानी मिलाना, तब जाके पॉसिबल है कि ये पेस्ट होगा. सो द आई पार्ट इट इज डन. दिस नोट्स पार्ट अगेन, and again newspaper, this tissue paper, put Fevicol again, this whatever the part is left behind. See how I am using. Don't अभी यहाँ पे नहीं करना, ये वाला पार्ट जो है ना, this beard part, या तो you have to leave it, और यू कैन डू द थिकर वन. मीन्स आपको यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा मोटा कॉयल पेपर, जैसे हम लोगों ने कॉयल यूज किया, वैसे ही आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा मोटा, बिकॉज द बियर्ड लुक्स मोर थिकर एंड इट विल कम आउट. मीन्स इट विल लुक लाइक एम्बॉस सॉर्ट ऑफ, मीन्स थोड़ा बाहर उभरा हुआ नजर आना चाहिए, एम्बॉस जैसा. तो हमें यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मोटा लगाना होगा. या तो आप इसको सिर्फ प्लेन कलर कर सकते हैं, दिस पार्ट, और you can use coil but little thicker one, means थोड़ा सा मोटा ऊंचा.
10B पेंसिल से सर स्केच कर सकते हैं.
That also don't do sketch. Use color. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
okay,
Means
sir.
watercolor. Fabric color.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So I'm using. Let's see. I'm using this, making this solution again with Fevicol. जितना नो पतला होगा फेविकॉल का पार्ट दिस solution, it is easy to paste this tissue paper. Very nicely do it. Otherwise देखो कभी कभी मेरा भी यहाँ से थोड़ा आ रहा है बाहर, तो मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Then again I have to do, once it is done, then again a little wherever it is not pasted I will try to do once again. Means complete करना वहाँ पे tissue paper part. Second layer also you can do it, but once it is dry, then the first layer will dry up, then the second layer you go for that, right?
Yes, sir.
You have to use the brush in this way, that to give the impression.
Sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, if we will use tissue paper, then that all the things which we have pasted, how we will see that?
You have to color after that. Let it dry, then only. सूखने के बाद आपको सूखना देना होगा. It will dry then only. Okay. Now this part is left. This entire part, the ear and this eye.
सर हम लोग को थोड़ा थोड़ा करके करना है.
Yes, beta,
Sir, your
yes.
screen is not coming.
Sir, your screen is not coming.
Yes, the screen is not coming.
Wait, wait, wait.
सर जितना सब मैंने किया है सर दिखाऊं सर?
चलो अब दिख रहा है क्या?
नो सर.
No, sir.
सर
No, sir.
No, sir.
सर
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Now,
yes, sir.
okay.
सर कैन आई शो सर जितना सब मैंने किया है अभी तक?
Yes, you can.
Sir, it is coming.
No,
Yes, sir, it is coming.
I can't see.
Yes, Priyam. Yes, Priyam. It is visible.
Okay. But
Very nice.
maybe my video is on, that's why I can't. Okay, you send me that image.
Okay, sir.
Sir, now it is not coming.
Sir, your screen is not coming.
Now.
No, sir, not
No, sir.
coming.
Not coming, sir.
Now.
No, sir.
Now.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Coming.
Sir, we can tear from that parts.
Sorry. Sorry.
We can. Sir, we can tear from the eyes part and the eyebrow and nose part.
Yes.
Screen is gone.
अभी दिख रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
now it is visible.
Again it doesn't.
Again, your screen is not coming.
Hare
Hello, sir.
I think sir is facing network
Wait,
issue.
everyone. Wait. Sir will be back soon.
So sorry. Now can it be visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you do it? Have you done? Have you done the part which it is done? Have you done the part?
Yes, sir, I have done.
Okay. Then let it dry.
Sir,
Let
we
it
have
dry.
to cover ears also with tissue paper.
Sorry, what you're asking?
We have to cover ears also.
So your screen is not coming.
Sir, your screen is not.
Sukalyan sir.
Yes.
Sir, as time is over, so let's wrap up this session also.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Very good, Priyam. Very nice. Very good, Priyam.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
nice. Very nice.
Sir, after this class, I will cover it with tissue paper.
Okay. So was visible my this now? Please let it dry and then after we will color it. Okay. I will color it and then I will show it tomorrow. Okay. And the ingredients.
Okay, sir.
Ingredients for tomorrow, I will send it to Nishma. She will put it on your my team. Okay. So let it dry. I'm giving it to for drying it because it is what won't be possible to color right now. इसे हम सूखने देते हैं.
Yes.
तब तक आप
Okay,
कीजिए
sir.
और फिर आप
Sir, what you
देखिए.
told that ingredients?
So
I
what
will
are the
tell you.
ingredients for cooking without fire?
You will get it in your through team. Okay.
Listen, dear. Sukalyan sir will be sending to me and I'll post it on Teams. So don't worry about it. All the ingredients will be posted by today itself. Okay?
Yes.
Sir,
Thank you.
ma'am, please send in 7E also.
Yes, everywhere I'll share. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let it dry. इसको
Okay, ma'am.
अच्छे से
Okay.
सूखने दीजिए. Every part of the every part. Okay. Do press this way with the with Fevicol and water solution. Then you go for the coloring part. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for a wonderful session that you have
Thank you, sir.
patiently listen to me and see it is not colored and also.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sukalyan sir. It was
I
really
think,
very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
you
Bye,
have done
sir.
most of you. And listen, tomorrow I will color. Today I will color it. I will show it to tomorrow. And tomorrow's cooking without fire, I will send the ingredients. I will be ready with that, right? So hope for the
Okay,
best.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
Good day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Thank
Thank
you,
love you all.
sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a nice
Thank you,
day.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Excuse
Bye,
me,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I'm showing mine.
Yes, you can.
I
you
just
can.
covered it with tissue paper.
Oh, that's right. Very good. Very good. It is very nice. Let it dry. इसको सूखने दो तो वो बहुत कड़ा हो जाएगा और एकदम मजबूत हो जाएगा. पता है जब सूख जाएगा तो मजबूत हो जाएगा तो उसको पहले सूखने दीजिए. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. And use fabric color. Use watercolor or fabric color, right? Okay. Thank you, sir. Everyone. The co-teachers, the
sir.
coordinator, everyone. Thank you. Bye. See you.
Sir, we can use
Thank you,
acrylic
sir.
paint.
Thank you.
Sorry, beta. What are you asking?
Sir, we can use acrylic paint.
Yes, you can use acrylic paint. You can use fabric paint. You can use watercolor. No, not watercolor. Poster color you can use. Don't you go for watercolor. You can use poster color, right? You can use acrylic one. You can use fabric color, right? And thank you for tomorrow. So tomorrow I will come with a new thing. कुछ अच्छा सा चटपटा कुछ अच्छा सा कुछ snacks लेकर आएंगे tomorrow. Tomorrow I will come with the mouth watering and chatpata snacks. So are you ready to for tomorrow? Okay, very good. Shu, very nice, beta. You did so well. Thank you, Shalini ma'am. Saroj sir, thank you.
Thank you. I also
Hello,
enjoyed.
sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I have a doubt.
Yes, beta. You can ask.
So for tomorrow's session, that puri is like which puri? I didn't understand.
What puri?
Yes, sir. The ingredients are mentioned, no?
I will send that. It's what I have sent yet.
Okay, sir. Sir, may I send this to you tomorrow?
Yes, you can. You can do it as simultaneously. You can learn what I'm going to do it tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay,
Any
sir.
more questions?
Bye, sir.
Right now. Still people are here.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Welcome.
Bye, sir.
Welcome. Bye
Okay,
bye.
all of you.
Bye.
Session.
Bye bye. Shalini ma'am. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Very nice
Thank
one,
you,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Ishat ma'am. Thank you. And thank you, children, for
Thank you, sir.
to
Thank you
join
so
this
much.
summer camp. We are very happy that you are here to join the summer camp and enjoying for 2 days only. Unfortunately, it is offline. Then you can have that one more week. I mean, it's 1 week summer camp. Next year, next session, I hope everything will be fine and we will do offline summer camp. Right, teachers?
Thank
Right,
you, sir. Thank you,
teachers?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And
Bye-bye.
Sukani,
Bye
sir,
bye.
after
Bye, sir. Have a
coloring
good day.
this, I want a picture. All right, sir. You please send the picture to me.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye bye. Good day.
Nice. Bye.